Boom shakalaka. What is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and today is Friday. Thank freaking God. And we're going to be talking about some stuff today. Neo 4, end of Bcash. Thank freaking God. Also Airbnb Crypto and Genesis mining contracts. And we'll talk about some other stuff like what's going on with Ethereum Classic and VeChain. Now, before we get started, just wanted to say, oh, funny thing here. Everything's green except for ETH Classic, which is funny when we talk about what we talk about later. But thank you to everyone subscribing. Thank you everyone mashing on the like button. And guys, if you want to win one of these shirts, make sure you comment on this video and every other video to enter for your chance to win. You're welcome for my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means a world of difference to me. Otherwise, I'd have to be arm deep in a cow because I was a veterinarian, but I wasn't a cow vet. I was like a small animal vet, so I'd have to be arm deep in a dog. Read the disclaimer. Wow. All right, so today on CoinMarketCap, market cap is coming up $214 billion. I'm pretty sure I had a dream last night where it was up to like $800 billion. That was a pretty cool dream. Bitcoin dominance dropping 52.2%. People are buying back into their altcoin positions. All right, Bitcoin right now just over $6,500. Ethereum just under $300. XRP at 31 cents. Bcash at $5.45, but not for long. EOS at $4.92. Stellar at 22 cents. Litecoin 58. Tether still at $1. Cardano 10 cents. Still a freaking deal. And Monero, the big gainers for today. Cortex is up 53%, Nano is up 46%, Ontology up 41%, Nebulous up 33%. Now, these things may seem huge, but really, Ontology is just back to $2. I think it was high at like $8 one time. Nebulous up to $1.70. I think it was like $15 at one time. So, you know, even though these things are gaining huge, they're really not even back to normal yet. Now, taking a look at stuff on TradingView, okay? Right now, just kind of sitting in this little, what did I call it the other day? Between heaven and hell? Purgatory. Sitting in the purgatory zone right here. Okay, we're just sitting there and waiting. But I, myself, am keeping an eye on this MACD. Because I've been trading on the MACD. It's been pretty good. I actually have a video coming out later today at 5 p.m. today about how to do the MACD trading for all you guys who have questions on it. So you can watch that video. Talks about a couple other trading strategies you can use in the market right now. Although not financial advice, not an expert, not telling you what to do with your money. Duh, don't be a retard. So let's get on to the news. In the news yesterday-ish, today-ish, Neo forked. So Neo suffered from an accidental fork, which is pretty funny because Neo is designed to be unforkable, but the fork happened due to a known issue with the state machine replication algorithm DBFT. So we knew about this, we just weren't able to fix it soon enough. This isn't the first time that happened in Neo. So basically, in DBFT, there are 3 phases that kind of talk to each other. At some point, it was discovered that in a rare case, due to lack of the 3rd phase, the protocol will allow replicas to produce 2 valid blocks with different hashes, which will obviously stall the next consensus during the next round. If each of the 2 variants of the block are propagated by more than F replicas, the network will fork and the consensus will stall. So it appears that the consensus did not stall, but the presence of 2 valid blocks on the network had created confusion amongst the nodes, with a lot of them getting stuck on the conflicting block. Now, people went on to comment, I swear Neo is forever cursed by Murphy's Law. We always have solutions for issues in development, and then the issue randomly pops up before they're implemented. Yes, this happened previously. Kind of sucks, because that happened back in March. Big debacle, DBFT. Again, it happened. But maybe this will help them change this. Maybe this will help them, because there must be a higher power somewhere forcing us to hurry up and get our solutions implemented so that Neo can truly become the chosen one. All right, so Neo is in the news for that today. Here's some big news. This puts a big wide old smile on my face like this. CME Futures Partners releases first regulated Bcash Futures. Now, why am I smiling? Well, we'll first talk about this article, and then I'll tell you why I'm smiling. But Crypto Facilities has added Bcash to its list of future products, announcing the press release will go live 4 p.m. BST Friday. Okay, they partnered. So this Crypto Facilities partner with CME Group. They already offer futures on Bcash, Ripple, Ethereum, and Litecoin. But they expect their new contracts will spur the evolution of the crypto markets by bringing greater liquidity and transparency to the digital asset class. Now, why am I smiling? Here's why I'm smiling. Because this right here, this point all the way up here that you can't see, that's when Bitcoin futures were launched, and then the price went. So, now granted, there was a lot of expectation about what was going to happen with the Bitcoin futures, but if they launch these Bcash futures and then the Bcash price goes, then I'll be able to say, told you so, Bcash can suck it. Now, Airbnb co-founder participates in almost $23 million funding round for crypto startup. That's right. The trading platform SFOX has announced the closure of a $22.7 million Series A funding round with Airbnb co-founder Nathan Blecharczyk. Okay. The cryptocurrency dealer aims at services to large-scale investors such as funds, family offices, and high-net-worth individuals, and has more than $9 billion in transaction volumes. That's a lot. What they want to do is they want the ability for institutions to trade from a single account and buy or sell high volumes without impacting prices. That's exactly what institutional investors are looking for, and cryptocurrencies need to embrace as the ecosystem becomes more fragmented. So they basically want over-the-counter solutions for large investors, which would be helpful for them and kind of helpful for us in the end of things. Genesis Mining also in the news. They compel certain customers to upgrade the contracts following this year's significant crypto price decline. So in 60 days, the company will terminate services for open-ended contracts that mine less than the daily maintenance fee. That's right, because they can only control a few things like the daily maintenance fee. They can't control the price of crypto, can't control the hashing algorithm difficulty. All they can control is the price people have to pay. So if you're on one of these little contracts, you're going to have to change it or lose your contract. Now, this is what we were talking about previously with Ethereum Classic. Finally, Coinbase Consumer, not to be confused with Coinbase Custody, now supports ETH Classic along all of its products. So you can go buy ETH Classic on Coinbase now. And did the price go up? No. In fact, the price went down comparatively with everything else. Everybody already knew this was coming for months, and it finally showed up today. Also today, Binance launches Fiat-to-Crypto exchange in Liechtenstein. Bonus points to anyone who knows where Liechtenstein is. So they offer a joint. Binance LCX is a joint venture between Binance and Liechtenstein Crypto Assets Exchange. They're offering trading between Swiss francs and euros against all major digital currency pairs. Now, Binance is going to provide the platform, while Binance LCX will lead customer support, regulatory compliance, and government communication. That's cool because they're trading Swiss francs, and Switzerland has been called Crypto Valley with Zug and everything like that. VeChain in the news today. Told you VeChain was a good one. Now, this one, VeChain announces blockchain vaccine tracing solution for China. So a crisis erupted for the Chinese government in July when it came to light that hundreds of thousands of children had received faulty vaccines manufactured by a Chinese drug company. That's not good. The issue is partially damaging. The issue is exceptionally damaging because it represents the third major drug safety crisis to make headlines in China in the past decades. Again, not good. VeChain, however, took it upon itself to use highly sensitive IoT devices to record data during vaccine production and then store that data on VeChain Thor to ensure the reliability of the data source while eliminating the potential risks of the whole process and ensures the vaccine records are immutable and permanent. So they're going to be helping out with those vaccines. Way to step up, VeChain. However, there is no sign that the Chinese government has officially endorsed VeChain's blockchain program for helping to prevent future vaccine safety issues, or any government agencies are collaborating with VeChain in development. So it's not like VeChain stepped up, the government's dragging its feet. That's basically what happens all the time. Now, coming up for all of you guys who like AMAs, IoTeX has an AMA today. You can check that out on their Twitter. Also, Storiqa has an AMA with a Justin Bieber lookalike. That's on YouTube. You can check that out. Also coming up, I will be at Voice of Blockchain conference in a week. And then a week after that, Coinvention. And then couple weeks after that, I don't even know, but I'll be somewhere else. Links are down in the description. You guys can get discounts off tickets there. And let's give away a shirt. So yesterday we had 2 videos, the news video and the Covalent interview. Let me get this to 0 first. I forgot to do that. Hang on. There we go. Ready? Good luck. Number 1, the news video. Somebody in the news video is going to win a shirt. Whoa. Look at that floating head. My goodness. And then also, guys, coming up next week, next Tuesday is a big day. I'm not going to share with you why yet, but it's a big day. Something to look forward to. So next Tuesday, big day. Big day. Okay, good luck to all of you. Hope you win the shirt. Mr. Smith, shave your beard off, but keep your mustache with such sophistication. Huge numbers of subscribers will be flocking in. That is a very good suggestion, Mr. Smith. A very good suggestion. I may consider it. Maybe one time in the future, be chatting with Crypto Stash because he's already done that. He has a sweet Crypto Stash. If I was to have a mustache, I'd like it to be like Wyatt Earp. He had a pretty sweet mustache. It was like big, like this. Also, maybe like a Fu Manchu mustache. Mustaches. So much fun. I was actually we had a competition when I went to school out in Oregon for, what was it? The Men of Movember for mustaches. I grew a mustache for Movember and also raised the most money, so I won that competition. Thank you very much. But anyways, Mr. Smith, you win a t-shirt. If you want to collect on that t-shirt, make sure you email me at the email on my About page. Send you a t-shirt anywhere in the world. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to the rest of all of you. Again, no shirt for some of you. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, for those of you just commenting in the live chat, once the video is done, you actually have to go and comment in the comments because this doesn't pull the stuff from the live chat. So just you live chatters need to do more. Okay, that's it for today. Have a